Morning class. So today we'll start with chapter number 9, differential equation. Chapter number 9, differential equation. Clear? So you all have studied about equations. What are equations? Like you have an equation from x square minus 1 is equal to 0. So you know that is what? An equation x is cubed plus bx squared plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is also a equation. It's a cubic equation. It's a quadratic equation. So this way you know what does it mean equation means. Same way, if you know the meaning of equation, what is a differential equation? And differential equation means what? It will involve derivatives. It will involve, by the name itself, differential equation. It will involve derivatives of variable. Now, for that you should know the meaning of dependent and independent variable. The meaning of dependent and independent variable. So, we are having, suppose if we have dy by dx. So now just see, anyone, this concept also I told you what is dependent and dependent variable. Anyone who can tell, you can unmute yourself. Yes, now you can unmute yourself. Yes, any one of you. What is dependent and what is independent variable? Here you can see x is an independent variable and y is what? Dependent. Y is what? Dependent variable and x is what? Independent. X is independent of x. Y. Just see, whenever you have an equation y x plus 1. So y is what? Dependent on x. Y is always what? Dependent on the value of x. Whatever value of x we will put, accordingly we get the value of y. Same way, dy by dx, we are differentiating y with respect to x. We are differentiating y with respect to x. So what is it? X is a dependent variable, y is what? Dependent variable. So if you want, you can write the definition of differential equation. Differential equation is an equation involving derivative of the dependent variable, derivative of dependent variable, an equation involving derivative of a dependent variable with respect to write down with respect to the independent variable, variable is known as differential, yeah, is known as differential equation. Example, you can write it as ordinary differential equation. As an ordinary differential equation. Ordinary differential equation. Now this ordinary differential equation is there in your course right now. One more is there. I will give you in brief. A partial differential equation. In that partial differential equation, what you will have? In that partial differential equation, you will have more than one independent variable. Means you will have derivatives of derivative with respect to more than one independent variable. Derivative with respect to more than one independent variable. Like here you will have dy by dx. Only one independent variable and derivative of what we have taken? Derivative of, is it not visible? Derivative of dependent variable with respect to the independent variable. We are talking about one only. Derivative of dependent variable with respect to one independent variable. Then it will be what? A ordinary differential equation. Now if I talk about partial differential equation. Partial differential equation. This you will study after 12 in your higher classes. What is a partial differential equation? It is denoted by f of x, y, z. It is written as d square f. It is not actually, it is del f. Don't call it d square, we call it del f. Del square f upon dx square del square f upon del y square plus del square f upon del x. This is also known as Laplace equation, which you will study in your higher classes when you go to the colleges and all. Yeah. So this is a partial differential equation which is not there in your course right now, but you should know. Now just see here you are having differentiation with respect to not one dependent variable, you are having three dependent variables. Here you are having three independent variables x, y, and z. Yeah. So partial differentiation is noted like this. It is then not, we don't call it dy by dx or df by dx or df square f by dx square, call it del square f by dx. So we will not study about this. We are just limited to this particular thing, ordinary differential. Now you know that when you studied about any equation, quadratic equation, then you have studied about their solutions also. Same way in this chapter, we'll study about their general solution, their particular solution. Now, general solution means what? General means it can have multiple solutions. Like if you see, when you do any integration, what you get? Suppose you integrate x square. You integrate x square, what you get? X cubed by 3 plus. Yeah, so this is what a general solution. This is what a general solution. And as soon as I put the value of the constant, suppose if I put the limit here 1, then I will get what? A particular solution. A particular solution. That means it will not involve any constants. Clear? Is that clear? So, general solution and particular solution also will study. Before that, your first exercise is based on order and degree of differential equation. Order and degree of differential. First, we'll study that. We will take some examples of differential equation also. Now, what does differential equation involve? Differential equation will involve any powers of, like we can have d square by dx square plus dy by dx plus 1 is equal to 0. This is also a differential equation. So differential equation can be of multiple types. We cannot write each and everything, but yeah. So differential equation basically involves what? It involves the derivatives. It should involve what? The derivatives. Now come to the order and degree. Order of a differential equation. Order and degree. And if you say dy by dx is equal to 0, yes, it is also a differential equation. D square y by dx square is equal to 0, yes, it is also a differential equation. If I add plus dy by dx is equal to 0, then also it is a differential equation. If I do this, then also it is a differential equation. So there can be multiple differential equations. These differential equations will involve what? Derivative of independent variable with respect to the dependent variable. That is the main thing you should. Now come to the order and degree of differential. So with the help of example, we will explain order and degree. Let's take some examples. For order of differential equation, like if you have d square by dx square plus y is equal to 0. This is your differential equation. Suppose this is your differential equation. Now just see what will be the order of the differential equation. Order tells you the highest order derivative. What is the highest order derivative here? Anyone who can tell me what is the highest order derivative here? Yes. What is the order of the derivative? Highest order. Let's see this highest order. Double derivative we are having d square y by dx square. This is the highest order. So order is equal to what? Order is what? Suppose if I change this differential equation. Instead of d square y by dx square, what else we can write? Just see if I write y1 plus y1 square plus y2 square plus y2 plus x or y is equal to 0. Suppose this is your equation. This means anyone who can tell me what does it mean? y1 and y2, what does it mean? I explained you y dash, y1, y dash means what? Y by dx. We denote y dash dy by dx also by y dash, same way dy by dx is also denoted as y1. Because writing this many a times will be a problem. These d and y, suppose we have d and y on d and y on dx. So how can we write y? How can we write this as y? Because in this way we cannot write n times dash 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 dash. Can we write n times dash? No, we cannot write. So basically till y triple dash, we sometimes use this type of symbol y dash, y double dash, y triple dash. Y triple dash means what? E cube y upon dx. E cube y upon dx cube. Clear? Some call it as E3 y by dx3. Whatever you say, d and y by dx, whatever the pronunciation is, but the meaning is the same. Clear? So either you write y 3 or y triple dash or d cube y by dx cube. These are the same notations. You should know the meaning is the same. Either you write this way, that way. So now just see. Now if I write this differential equation, this is your differential equation y1 square. Y1 square means what? Y1 is what? dy by y1 is what? dy by dx whole square plus d square. Y2 is what? d square y by dx square whole square plus y. This is the same differential equation. This is the same differential equation or not? Only what we have done, instead of y1 we have written dy by dx, instead of y2 I have written d square y by dx square plus y. Now anyone who can tell me what is the order? What is the order of the differential equation? What is the order of this differential equation? Yes, Mohammed, Laksh, Nachiketa.
2.
Huh?
2.
2. Very good. Why it is 2? Just the highest order derivative is what this. Yeah. So order is 2. Same way. What is the degree? Now what does it mean? Degree means? Degree means whatever the highest order derivative is there, what is the degree of it? In this equation, the highest order derivative is this. What is the degree of this? 2 will be. Yeah, degree is. What is the highest order derivative?
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes, बेटा.
मैम y2 का तो क्यूब है ना पर
y2 का सॉरी
क्यूब
क्यूब है तो यहाँ पे 3 हो जाएगा और ये डिग्री क्या हो जाएगी सॉरी यार स्क्वायर only here it is not square, it is here cube instead of square. So if it is cube it will be 3. Suppose it is 4 and here also it will become 4, degree will become what? 4. But for calculating the degree for finding the degree there is some problem. You should know something about some important thing is there that I will explain you for degree. So is order clear? Whenever you have a differential equation, the highest order derivative will give you the order of that differential equation. Now come to the degree. Degree, what we do? Just see. For finding degree, your differential equation should be polynomial. Polynomial equation. Polynomial and derivative. Now you will say, what does it mean? Anyone who can tell me what is a polynomial equation? PMX. को याद है क्या होती है polynomial equation? Mohammed, Anshuman. What is a polynomial equation? So many times I have told you. What is it? Is ax square plus bx plus c is a polynomial equation. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is a polynomial equation. Are these polynomial equations? Yes or no? Madam, unmute yourself. You will speak. I can't hear. So please unmute yourself and speak. Yes. Are these? Yes. Mohammed.
Yes,
Yes. So these are polynomial equations. So how we can write ax to the power of n plus bx to the power of n minus 1 plus cx to the power of n minus 1 and so on. This is what a polynomial equation. Now polynomial equation should be there in derivative. In derivative means it should have dy by dx. Now what you can see here is a constant is multiplied, it can be added, it can be, we can add it, we can subtract it, we can multiply a constant, we can write plus d also, we can add a constant, we can subtract a constant from it, like plus d is there, if minus d is there, then also it will be a constant. Now constant is multiplied also with it, and this equation can have any power, like x can have any powers. X can have any integral, positive integral power. Does you remember or not? N should be a positive integer. पॉलिनोमियल इक्वेशन में क्या होता है, x की पावर वो हमेशा क्या होती है, पॉजिटिव होनी चाहिए, नेगेटिव नहीं होनी चाहिए, तभी वो पॉलिनोमियल इक्वेशन कहलाती है. तो सेम वे इन डेरिवेटिव, पॉलिनोमियल डेरिवेटिव will involve dy by dx, and instead of x, wherever we were having x, instead of x what we will have, dy by dx, and what all operations will come, plus will come, minus will come, multiplication will come, and an integral power will come, any integral power. Now this n can take any positive integral value. Now if I say root 2 will be integral value. No, it will have x to the power of what, dy by dx to the power of half. If I take dy by dx to the power of half, no, it will not work. Why? Because it is not an integral power. So instead of x, we will have what, dy by dx, or d square y by dx square, or d cube by whatever. But it should be a differential equation, because the power of x can change. Polynomial equation में क्या होता है, x की power 1 भी हो सकती है, 2 भी हो सकती है, 3 भी हो सकती है, x की पावर कुछ भी n हो सकती है, पर हमेशा क्या होनी चाहिए, it should be a positive value, and positive integral value should not be in points, nor be in fractions. Clear? So this thing you have to keep in mind for finding the degree. So if you have to find a degree, then what you can say, you have to find a degree, then you should know that the differential equation should be polynomial in derivative, then only you can find the degree. Otherwise you can say that degree is not defined. You don't have any degree of this polynomial equation. Suppose if I say d square y by dx square plus sin dy by dx equal to, is it done? Can you find the degree? Order, what is the order? First you tell me the order of this differential equation. Order. Anshuman. Lakshya.
2.
2. Very good. Order is 2 because the highest derivative is 2 only. But students what they do, highest order का जो power है वो 1 है, तो हम बोल देते हैं degree 1 है order. पर ये हो गया आपका wrong. ये क्या हो गया, wrong. क्यों wrong हो गया? Just see, because I told you that you should have a polynomial. You should have a polynomial in derivative. Now sin dy by dx or any trigonometric or log of dy by dx, these are not polynomial in this equation. Clear? They change the meaning. For e to the power of, instead of e to the power of x, you have e to the power of dy by dx. That is wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. So anything else except multiplication plus addition with a constant or x bar, these all things will not. Clear? So order, what we can say, order is degree not defined. Degree is not defined. Clear? Now come to the exercise 9.1. Come to exercise 9.1. We'll take one by one the questions so that order and degree should be clear to you all by taking the examples. So come to your exercise 9.1. Question number 1, write down. Number 1 is b4y upon bx4 plus sin y triple triple dash equal to 0. What is the order and what is the degree? You only tell me. What is the order? Any one of you? What is the order? 4. And what is the
4.
degree? Very good.
Not defined.
Not defined.
Very good. I think so. It must be clear to you all. Now come to the second one. Second, y dash plus 5y is equal to 0. Full del y dash plus 5y is equal to 0. Y dash plus 5y is equal to 0. Order
1.
order 1. Why? Because
1.
1. And degree also 1. Because the C order is 1 dy by dx. Highest order derivative is what? First order derivative we are having. And the power of the first order derivative is nothing. So it is 1. So order is 1. Degree is 1. Clear? Then next one. Number 3. Write down. ds by dt whole to the power of 4 ds by dt whole to the power of 4 plus 3x d square s by dt square is equal to 0. Now what is the order and what is the degree? Yes?
2.
Order is 2 and degree?
Degree 1.
1.
Not defined.
No, why not defined? Why not defined? It is 3 into x. X can be multiplied x, you can multiply x or a constant or by anything you can multiply. You can add them, multiply them, subtract them, and you can have any powers of it. So they will come, any powers of it. Then also it will come. But we told you that sine, cos, any trigonometric function, if it comes along with the dy by dx, then it will not come. Log or exponential, these all things will come then. So, degree is what? Order. Order is the highest order derivative is 2. And then what is the degree of the highest order derivative? Nothing. So, it is 1. Clear? Is that clear? Then, question number 4. Question number 4 is d square y by dx square d square y upon dx square whole square plus cos of dy by dx is equal to order degree. Love, you tell me now. What is the order and what is the degree?
Ma'am, order is 2 and degree not defined.
Very good. Order is 2 and degree not defined. Why? Because it is not a polynomial equation. As it is having cos of dy by dx, so it is not a polynomial in derivative, so we cannot define it. Yeah. Then number 5. You can write the explanation by yourself. Yeah. 5 is d square y by dx square plus cos dx plus sin dx. Achha, it is equal to cos 3x plus sin 3x. Now, what is the order and degree?
Order is 2.
Degree is 1.
Degree is 1. Now, if you will say cos is there, ma'am, cos is there, but cos is not along with any derivative. Is cos along with derivative first order or second order or third order any derivative causes? No, it is not along with any of the first, second, third order derivatives. So it is the equation will have order. The highest order derivative is 2 and the degree is what? Having degree 1. So come to question number 6. Number 6 is y triple dash whole square plus y triple dash whole cube plus y dash to the power of 4 is plus y to the power of 5. Now, what is the order and degree?
3.
Order is 3 and degree is
2.
2. Very good. Then question number 6.
Yeah.
Number 7. y triple dash plus 2y double dash plus y dash equal to 3. Yes. Order degree.
3.
Order 3 degree 1 because it was
One.
having
One.
degree. Yes. Yeah. 4 किसने बोला? Order is 3. Order 3 है तो order 3 degree क्या है? कुछ भी नहीं है तो हम क्या लेंगे? 1. Yeah. Then this way your exercise is almost over. One of the questions are left. Done till 7. Write down question number 8. Y dash plus y dash plus y is equal to 3. So your order and degree. Tell me. Yes. What is the order and degree? Y double dash plus y.
1.
Order 1. Degree 1. Here.
1,
Order.
2,
Order 2. Degree
1.
1,
1 होगी 2 होगी
1, 1,
1
One.
होगी क्योंकि ऑर्डर 2 का जो हाईएस्ट पावर है क्या है 1. क्लियर? देन कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Number 10. Y double dash plus 2y dash plus sin y is equal to 0. Now tell me the order degree. Yes, who will tell?
Nachiketa.
Order is 2 and degree is? What happened?
One.
Order degree is? 1. Order is 2. This is order 2 and degree what it is? 1. Now tell me for this. Plus sin e by dx plus 1 is equal to 0. What is the order and degree? Yes.
Order is 2 and degree is not defined.
Degree is not defined. Very good. This only I wanted. Degree why not defined? Again, we are having sin e by dx. It is not a polynomial in derivative equation, so it will not be have any degree. Yeah. Yeah. So this way your exercise is over. Okay, class. Thank you.